Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can take the classes from the Stake Academy. So let's get this started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to click on this profile section, and after clicking on the profile section, as you can see, where you will be here, so you have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, as you can see, this is Stake Academy. So 7 lessons are provided here, golden via program. So these other details are also provided here, you can check out these. So I'm going to click on this one here. So as you can see, now the test terminal and blocks are also here. So learn, you have to watch these lessons, lesson 1, lesson 2, these all lessons are provided here. And then you have to go to the test terminal section. As you can see, this is a stake investor, these all details are provided here. You can also check out these all details here. Then you can go to the blog section, and you can see in the blog section you will be able to see all the covered blogs and inform detailed blogs here. So in this way you can learn from the Stake Academy. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.